By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is right for your specific needs and budget. I'm about to share everything you need to know to make the right choice in 2025. First, what is Thinkific? Thinkific is a dedicated online course platform that's been around since 2012. It's designed specifically for educators and entrepreneurs who want to create and sell online courses without getting bogged down by technical complexity. Now let's talk about Thinkific's core features. Course creation and content management. Thinkific excels at course creation. The drag and drop course builder is intuitive, allowing you to upload videos, PDFs, presentations, and even SCORM files. You can create multimedia lessons with quizzes, assignments, and discussions. The platform supports various content types, including live lessons, which is perfect for cohort-based courses. Student experience. The learning experience on Thinkific is clean and focused. Students get a dedicated learning portal where they can track their progress, access course materials, and interact with other learners. The mobile app ensures your students can learn on the go, and the offline viewing feature is a nice touch for those with limited internet access. Customization and branding. Thinkific offers decent customization options. You can customize your course site with your branding, colors, and logo. The drag and drop site builder lets you create landing pages, although the design options are somewhat limited compared to more comprehensive platforms. Marketing tools. Here's where Thinkific starts to show its limitations. The marketing tools are basic. You get coupon codes, affiliate management, and some email marketing capabilities. However, you'll likely need to integrate with third-party tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, now known as Kit, for advanced email marketing. Analytics and reporting. Thinkific provides solid analytics on students' engagement, course completion rates, and revenue. You can track which lessons students struggle with and optimize accordingly. The reporting isn't as comprehensive as some business-focused platforms, but it covers the essentials. Pricing structure. Thinkific paid plan starts at $36 per month for the basic plan, $74 for start, and $149 for grow. There's also a custom plus plan for larger organizations. Now, Thinkific's strengths is user-friendly course creation tools, strong focus on education and learning experience, generous free plan, excellent customer support, good integration options with third-party tools, and reliable hosting and course delivery. Now, Thinkific's weaknesses: limited marketing automation, basic website design capabilities, no built-in advanced sales funnel features, limited customization for advanced users, lacks comprehensive business management tools. Now, moving on. What is Kajabi? Kajabi positions itself as an all-in-one business platform for knowledge entrepreneurs. Launched in 2010, it's designed to be your complete business solution, not just a course platform, but a comprehensive system for building, marketing, and scaling your online business. Kajabi's course creation tools are robust and modern. The course builder uses a clean interface where you can organize content into categories, modules, and lessons. You can upload various content types, create assessments, and set up completion requirements. The platform also supports live events and community features directly within courses. It is an all-in-one business platform. This is where Kajabi really shines. Beyond courses, you get a complete business ecosystem. The platform includes a website builder, landing page creator, email marketing system, sales funnel builder, and even a podcast hosting service. It's designed so you never need to leave the platform. Then marketing and sales tool. Kajabi's marketing capabilities are impressive. The built-in email marketing system includes automation sequences, segmentation, and analytics. The sales funnel builder lets you create complex customer journeys, and the checkout system handles payments, taxes, and invoicing. The affiliate program management is also more sophisticated than most competitors. The website and landing page builder. The website builder is modern and flexible, offering numerous templates and customization options. You can create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. The landing page builder is particularly strong with conversion-optimized templates and A/B testing capabilities. analytics, and business intelligence. Kajabi provides comprehensive business analytics. You can track everything from course engagement to email open rates and sales conversions and customer lifetime value. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your business performance across all areas. The pricing structure. Kajabi is definitely more expensive. Plan starts at $62 per month for Kickstarter, $104 for basic, $139 for growth, and $279 for pro. There's no free plan, but they do offer a 14-day free trial. The higher price point reflects the comprehensive nature of the platform. Let's talk about Kajabi's strength. Kajabi is a true all-in-one business solution, advanced marketing automation and sales funnels, professional website and landing page builder, comprehensive analytics and business intelligence, strong community features, excellent customer support and training resources, and no transaction fees on any plan. Now let's talk about its weakness. It is significantly higher cost, can be overwhelming for beginners. Course creation tools, while good, aren't as specialized as dedicated course platforms. Limited customization for advanced developers, and no free plan to test the platform extensively. Both platforms handle course creation well, but Thinkific has a slight edge due to its specialized focus on education. The interface is more intuitive for pure course creation, while Kajabi's tools are more business-focused. Kajabi wins decisively here. The built-in email marketing, sales funnels, and automation tools are significantly more advanced than Thinkific's basic offering. With Thinkific, you'll need multiple third-party integrations to match Kajabi's marketing power. Choose Thinkific if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. Your primary focus is creating and delivering great courses. You're on a tight budget. You prefer simple, specialized tools. You don't mind using multiple platforms for different business functions. Choose Kajabi if you're serious about building a comprehensive online business. You want everything in one platform. You have the budget for a premium solution. You need advanced marketing and sales tools. You're planning to scale beyond just courses into coaching, memberships, or other offerings. Both Thinkific and Kajabi are excellent platforms, but they serve different is the course creation, especially that's perfect for educators and new entrepreneurs. Kajabi is the business building powerhouse for serious entrepreneurs ready to invest in growth. If you're just starting out, begin with Thinkific's free plan to validate your course idea. Once you're making consistent revenue and ready to scale, consider migrating to Kajabi for its comprehensive business tool. And that's the Thinkific versus Kajabi. Which is better for online course in 2025?